Hi all, we're going to take a look at the active track trace function of the DJI Mavic Pro. Um, DJI states that you need to be in an area where you get uh, proper GPS coverage, but I've been playing around with this for some time now, and that's not really mandatory. What I do recommend is that you go to an open field when you try these functions. Unless you want to lose your $1,500 drone, don't try it anywhere else until you get really comfortable with the feature. Um, as you can see here, I lift off. Um, I'm at about 3 meters now, and I launch the feature. It gives you a good description of what it's going to do. Then you select the trace function. You'll see that for me, it's going to warn me shortly that I'm too low. It's just a warning. So I repositioned um, the selection, and you see I'm still at 2 meters. Um, and it allows me to track. So right now it's just starting to track me. Um, I'm at 2.7 meters, so it's going to try to maintain as much as possible the same uh, altitude that you select. Um, I'm running fairly slow. I'm not trying to, make any sudden moves, but I'll show you what the drone will do once you make that. So right now I'm away from the camera because um, I'm away for an extended period. So between 10-second mark, the function stops. Um, it just displays the error message that it stopped. But when I come back in the frame, um, all I have to do is you notice that it starts to track me because the feature is still on. So I just select and we are back. So again, same altitude. Um, I'm walking fairly slow. It will try to keep up with me. Um, um, you know, I'm moving around left, right, and one more time, um, I am gonna go outside of the camera view. Um, if you stay off for about 10 seconds, the message will come back to say that uh, function stops. But as you can see, I'm back and it continues to track me. Just keep an eye on the distance, right? It's still not the distance, sorry, the altitude. It still maintains uh, my original height of about 3 meters. Now I'm again outside of the view. It's been about 10 seconds and change. It displays that the active track ended, but when I come back into the frame, um, it tracks me, and I just press on it. I don't have to do highlight the box or select all. I just tapped on it, and it is once again following me. Um, Another sudden move. Um, you can see when I approach the 10-second mark, the same message comes back. Flight ended. But if you can see to your left, we're still in the active track mode. So now I'm back in the frame. It automatically detects me. I just have to press, and it follows me again. So um, very slow movement, and now it lost track of me, and I just come back into the frame. It spotted me, and then it's just starting to follow me again, and now we lost again. um, uh, Once I come back into the frame, so 10 seconds later, same thing. It tells me that the active track has ended. Um, Now I'm back. Now I have to select the target, press go, and we're going. So while I repeat this test, what I did realize is that if you are um, doing some extreme sports or anything like that, um, your drone will have a hard time keeping up with you. So right now I'm just showing you uh, just the drone as to how it's behaving. As long as you're moving slow, you're fine. The drone will not have a hard time following you. But um, again, extreme sports or anything where you're super fast, the drone will have a hard time keep up with you. And this is why in the beginning I said make sure you're in an open field, because the drone will try to catch up to you, and there's a risk of you hitting trees or whatever that you're doing, and potentially damaging your drone. So if you're hiking, if you're walking, or any kind of activity where you're not in a in a crazy fast mode, uh, this is awesome. And let's say if you're running too fast and the drone loses you, um, you will stop and hover on the spot until you either come back into the frame or uh, come back and reset, and then launch the active track again. Now in some cases, depending on where you are, the drone might make sudden moves just to keep up with you, and then if you realize that you're about to hit anything, uh, on the remote control just press the pause button, and that will instantly hold your drone uh, wherever it is. So if you watch the drone make any sudden move and you get nervous and you try to fly this thing manually, there's more risk of you making a mistake and crashing. Whereas you press the pause button, it just keeps the drone in place, just like right now. I didn't press the pause button, but um, it stays put till you take control over